All right, so we're looking at Rolling View Drive. This is a home that we closed a couple weeks ago, and we got several shots here of the community there at Ladera Creek. And you can see trails, walking trails, a good shot of the community. Directly across the street, though, from the community is Barton Jr Park, which has tons of baseball fields, soccer fields, the works, walking trails, you name it, you got it. Here's the outside of the house. You can see brick and stone on the outside, which is great. Brick on 3 sides and then siding on the back. So a lot of new constructions nowadays are kind of not doing the brick, not doing the stone. This one is, and that's a great option for great curb appeal. So here we are. As soon as you walk in to the left, we have a study. Some people use this as a secondary living area, maybe put some vinyl records in there and a record player, some comfy seats, and yeah, you can have a time in there. But right out of the gate, we're here in the kitchen, which is situated, you know, kind of midway through the house. You can see the quartz countertops. We have the luxury vinyl planks. Again, these are kind of some of the typical finishings that we're going to see on these houses. Now, we're seeing this a lot, the gray cabinets in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, undermounted sink, but it's a very, very nice, nicely situated kitchen. Here's the utility room, conveniently situated by the garage. We're going to go over to see, notice that this is a completely open concept, your living room to the kitchen. You can see it all standing on one side of the house or the other. So this window overlooks the large backyard. Like I said, I think this backyard is bigger than most of the new construction communities I see, but very, very spacious. Here's one of the secondary bedrooms. You have a window, you have a closet, you have carpet. You probably put a queen-size bed in here and a couple bedside tables, and you'd be good to go. You'd be sleeping in no time. Yeah, get a good view of that. You know, hey, new construction affordability, all in one. So here's the shared bath. The shared bath that is in the hallway, essentially, but I mean, real nice finishes. You'll see the luxury vinyl playing throughout the house, and this nice luxury carpet. The secondary bedroom, plenty of space. This one appears to be a little bit bigger than the other one. You have your closet there. This window does overlook the backyard as well, and yeah, you can see just, you know, kind of typical for this type of construction. Here we are in the master suite. The master suite, gosh, I mean, that's a big master. You can totally put a California or Texas king size bed in there. Big window overlooking the backyard. And it's conveniently located for maximum privacy towards the back of the house, which is great. And we're going to go in and see this bathroom. And this is an oversized shower. We're seeing more of these oversized showers and less of the tub shower combos, but that's nice. We have the single sink vanity there. Plenty of storage. Obviously, you have this walk-in closet, which is very, very big. People really like these walk-in closets. We're not in the 80s anymore where we had, you know, single door closets. We want walk-in closets. We're not going to take it anymore. All right, so here we are overlooking the backyard. There is a nice little portion of this patio that is covered, but this backyard is big enough, you know, if you want to put a pool, I mean, you can do a lot of different landscaping projects in here, maybe a nice pergola over one of the corners. But definitely plenty of space to make this a backyard oasis if you wanted to. As you can see, we're walking towards the back and finishing up. But this is a great community if you're looking for luxury, affordability. Give us a call if you're planning to make a move in Montgomery County or North Harris County. We have a love your new home guaranteed, or we'll sell it for free. So the only buyer's protection is satisfaction guarantee in the industry, and we would love to help you guys. Give us a call today and start packing.